Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Gorgias Helpdesk rules for Shopify support, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin updating Gorgias Helpdesk rules for your Shopify support, log into your Gorgias account. Navigate to the Rules section from the left-hand menu. Click on the New Rule button to create a new automation rule. Choose the condition that you want to trigger your rule. For instance, you may select conditions based on specific keywords in tickets or customer tags. Once your condition is set, proceed to configure the action that should take place when the rule is triggered. You can choose to assign the ticket to a specific agent or team for personalized support. Another action could be to send an automated response to the customer, acknowledging their query. Make sure to customize the automated message to ensure it aligns with your brand's tone. After setting the actions, consider adding additional conditions for more precise targeting. For example, you might want to only apply the rule to tickets created within a certain time frame. Once you have configured your rule to your liking, give it a descriptive name to easily identify it later. Review all the settings to ensure everything is correct and functioning as intended. Finally, click on the Save Rule button to apply your new settings. Your updated Helpdesk rule is now active and will automatically manage Shopify support queries as per your configuration. Repeat these steps as necessary to fine-tune your Helpdesk rules for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.